0 o'clock. Let's be real, most so-called free AI video generators aren't really free. You usually get a few credits, maybe one export, and then you hit a paywall. I've tested tool after tool, only to face the same frustration every single time. That's exactly why I created this video. 018. Today, I'm going to share 4 AI video generators that are 100% free, unlimited, and watermark free. No hidden costs, no trial periods, just real, high-quality video creation without spending a dime. On top of that, I'll also reveal 3 bonus tools. They are technically premium, but their free plans are so powerful that you'll probably want to keep using them. 037. If you're a content creator or just someone who wants to make videos quickly and easily without paying, stick around. The final tool I'll cover could be the game changer you didn't even know you needed. This video is going to save you time, money, and frustration. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and drop a comment below telling me what kind of videos you want me to cover next. 055. And in the comments, tell me which type of video you want to create next so I can cover it in a future video. Now, tool number 1 is called Qwen AI. Just go to Google and search for Qwen. On top right corner, you guys will find this login option. Click on it, and then here, continue with Google. 115. Select your Google account from the dropdown, and here you will see the chat from Quen AI. Now, the most important part here is that you click on more information. And on this menu, you guys will click on video generation. And now, you will have to describe the video you basically want to generate. Now here I created some of the prompts for our AI videos. 138. So here what I'm going to do here, I'm going to copy this second prompt, and I'm going to copy it to this input field right here. Here you'll basically put in your input AI prompt for your AI video. And down below you guys will click on the aspect ratio. Make sure that you select here 16:9. Now, if you click on plus, you guys can also upload a document. 202. But that is pretty much about it. You guys will then click on this arrow, and then just wait for a few seconds until the video actually finishes generating. Now, one limit about the Qwen is that you are only able to generate one video at a time. So this is really unfortunate, but here you can see that the progress is quite fast. 222. So here, right now, let me show you the result. So this is the result of our first AI tool and the first prompt we used. So the prompt is called a dense rainforest at night, where every plant emits noun-like glowing animals with cybernetic enhancements, lurking between holographic waterfalls, cinematic cyberpunk atmosphere. And this video, as you can see, is 5 seconds long. 249. If I click on it, you guys can also see here the results. Now, with the Qwen, it's totally free to generate AI videos, and this is how they look like. They are really nice with the high quality as well. Now, if you even want to download it on your computer, you guys will click on download button right here, and it should save it to your computer. 311. Now, if you want to create even more videos with this tool, just simply create a prompt and paste it inside here. Select here the aspect ratio you want, and then click on the arrow to start the video creation. Now, let's continue with the second tool. If you're browsing without a VPN, you're exposed. NordVPN protects your data, hides your IP, and gives you access to content worldwide. 337. And right now, you can get 70% off with my exclusive link in the description. No complicated setup, just fast, secure, private internet the way it should be. Click the link, grab the deal, and start protecting yourself today with NordVPN. Now, the tool number 2, it's called we.com. It's totally free to use. And now on their website, click on Login option, and click here on Sign In with Google, and select your Google account from drop-down menu. 47. Now once you're signed in, you guys will click on this first page, and on top menu, you will click on Image to Video. Click here on this purple button, and for this option, you will have to provide your own image. Now for that, I'm going to go here to Sora to find one really cool image. For example, we can go with this lion, with this cup of coffee, or tea. 431. I'm going to just copy it, and here, I'm going to save it to my computer. Now, I'm going to click here on this purple button, and I will upload this image right here. Now, you can see here that you can also add your basic image prompts. So here I will go to Sora, and I will just copy this prompt, and I will paste it inside here. Weird. 455. And now, you can also here add your own camera prompts, which are of course optional. But here, I will type in photorealistic, 8 Kelvin high resolution, raw footage, ultra-realistic cinematic film. Now for the video format, you can pick between the MP4 and WBM. I will go with MP4. Video length is 5 seconds, and the video frame rate you can go from 24 to 25 frames per second, 522. And the video dimensions are locked to 76080p. Now here down below, you'll have an option quality model. Just select on it here. And down below you can also see here that this is also unlimited and free. Now you will click on generate. And now you can just wait for a few minutes until the video finishes generating, 542. Now, if you guys are enjoying this type of content, I would highly appreciate if you would click on the like button, subscribe to the channel as well, and make sure that you turn on notification bell because you don't want to miss any other new AI tools which are totally free. And now we already have here the result from Vheer AI, 604. Now, as I mentioned, this tool is another tool which is totally free to use. Now its quality is a bit limited, and its U-video model is also a bit limited, because on this video, we only have a simple zoom, but nevertheless, this is still a video it actually made. I think it looks okay for just simple zoom in, and this is how it pretty much looks like. 630. Now if you want to download it on your computer, just click on the 3 dots, and then click on the download button, and that way you will save it on your computer. So this is basically another free AI tool. Now let's continue with the tool number 3, which is this one, U.cn. I will also put this link in the video description down below. 651. Now this one, it's a bit different with the registration. You will have to use your phone number to actually create an account on it. And then when you are here, you can even create your own prompt or create an image. And then here, once you are on this website, you can pretty much create your own video. For example, we can take a look at this video it actually created, 716. Now you can see here that it has this watermark at the bottom right corner. But here we can see this beautiful video from this Chinese free AI video generator. I think it looks super nice. Now you can also download videos which others created by clicking on this arrow right here, and this will save it to your computer. 739. Now you can see here a ton of videos made with this tool. Now, let's create another AI video, and I will go here back to ChatGPT, and I will use this prompt to create this video. I'm going to click here and click on this input field, and you can also upload your own image if you have one. 801. However, I think I'm going to go just with the text to video option here, and I will click on this arrow. And now here we can take a look at this video generated with this Yuewen AI. Now, as I mentioned, this one is totally free to use, and this is basically the video it actually created. I think it looks super nice for this free AI video generator. 828. Now, if you want to download it, just simply click on this arrow, and that way you will be able to save it to your computer. Now, let's go to the last tool which I'm about to mention, and this one is called Google AI Studio. Here, you will have to just sign in with your Google account. Now, it won't work with any other account. 850. Make sure that you have Google account for this Google AI Studio AI video generator. And now, if you want to generate videos using this tool, you will go here to the left menu and click here on Generate Media. Now down below, you'll find plenty of generative media options. However, here you will click on VO. Now with this tool, you're only able to use VO2, and let's start with our video generation. 920. Here I will go to ChatGPT, where I will try to find one prompt. I think I will go with this underwater city prompt. I'm going to copy it here inside ChatGPT, and I will paste it inside Google V2 here. And you can also increase or decrease number of results here. I think I will go with just one, 943. And then for the aspect ratio, I'll choose 16:9. For video duration, you can select between 5 and 8 seconds. The resolution and frame rate are fixed at 720p and 24 frames per second. You can also add a negative prompt basically. Things you don't want in your video, like blur, distortion, or artifacts. Once that's set, just click on Run Prompt, and within moments, your generated video will appear. 1035. Here's the final result, and as you can see, it looks amazing. In fact, I think this might be one of the best free AI video generators on the list. The quality is sharp, it runs smoothly, and there's no watermark. Definitely one of my top picks. 11 o'clock. So, to recap, those are 4 completely free AI video generators you can start using right now. I've placed the links to all of them in the description below. 11:12. Before you go, do me a quick favor. smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to check out the exclusive NordVPN deal I've linked below to keep your browsing safe. Thanks so much for watching. Happy video creating, and I'll see you in the next upload.